Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on ORC, Orchid Island Capital. I've covered them quite a few times here on the channel. Ticker ORC. It's a dividend REIT. As you can see, they're down pretty much 54% in the past year, down 14.5% in the last 3 months, and the past month down over 18%. Here's a look at the last week, down 7.5%, and here's a look at today, so still kind of going down. So I used to have a couple hundred shares of this one, and then they did the split, and so now I don't even know how many I have, but I haven't bought any of this one since the split, because as you can see, it's just been coming down, so I've just been kind of watching it and seeing what's going to happen with this one. So. But like I said, it's residential mortgage-backed securities, founded in 2010, $405 million market cap, high today of $11.74, low of $11.44, 52-week high of $25.30, and a low of $11.44. 29.51 on the dividend yield on this one right now, so that's just kind of crazy. Average volume of 982,000 and volume today of 305,000. Here's a look at their earnings. Next is expected on October 27th. And I've talked about pretty much all of these down here as well. AGNC, PSEC, NLA, I just did one a week or so ago. And this one. Have not talked about these two, but covered quite a few REITs, dividend plays here on the channel. So Microsoft Bing currently showing this one as a hold. That can't be right. That's probably need an updated 1-year price target of $3.50. I don't know if they've updated that since the split. Orchid Island, finally not awful. This is dated yesterday. So there's been a lot of bashing of ORC. Playing Dungeons and Dragons. Time to upgrade. The bearish rating comes to an end. Book value demolished. Dividend slash and reverse split already done. Wide spreads between agency, MBS, and treasuries. And warning, end of the track, stop short. Few things that provide more accuracy in predicting that investors should dump ORC before they get wrecked. So I've been hearing that a lot about this one. A lot of people are still buying it, still holding it. I'm still holding it, have not bought anymore. It's been tempting, but it keeps going down, so I'm just going to continue to hold. Orchid Island shares down 138.4% since Smart Trends sell call. And this is dated on the 15th. Downtrend for Orchid Island on June 30th at $5.22, approximately 15 months. Orchid Island has returned 138.35% as of today's recent of $12.43. Past 52 weeks, the share price have been bracketed by a low $2.90 and a high of $12.63 and are now $12.43, 329% above the low price in the last 5 trading sessions. It operates as an investment company. The company invests in residential mortgage-backed securities. Smart Trend will continue to scan these moving averages and a number of other proprietary indicators. So I'm down on this one. I'm continuing to hold it. It's going to have to come down some more if I buy any more, if I do. So I'm just currently holding. So announces 1 for 5 reverse stock split. So there it is. So for every 5 shares you get 1. Dollar value stays the same unless the price goes down like it has been. So that's the only way to lose money. But over here on StockTwits, currently at 11.48, a low of 11.86. That don't make any sense. That needs updated. High of 25.30. Aggressive push slipping. So if you follow MJ ORC to REITs is kind of like Sundial to MJ. It's kind of same popularity, just keeps going down. Everybody has it. People still buy it. People are holding it. It's similar to Sundial, which I just did a video on as well. So over here on MSN Money, currently showing it as a hold with a analyst price target of 350. So that's all that I have on ORC. If you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information you'd like to share on this one. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.